Welcome to Misra Boilers Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of small industrial boilers and thermic fluid heaters. The company was incorporated in 1997 at Ludhiana. Cutting-edge technology and sound infrastructure facility make us different from others. Large production capacity, competitive market price, and easy payment modes help us to achieve an enviable position in the industry. We offer a huge gamut of thermic fluid heaters, small industrial, and fire tube boilers. Water-cum-smoke tube boilers, pressure tanks, and vessels are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide pollution control devices, fuel and ash handling systems that are superior in performance. We are one of the trusted names of the industry engaged in offering genuine quality water wall panels, cyclones, and reverse osmosis systems. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing wastewater treatment equipment, industrial economizers, and water pumps. Our organization is instrumental in offering a wide gamut of superheater for boilers and heat recovery units. To know more about us, please visit our website www.indiamart.com/misraboilers.